Alright YouTube, on today's video, we'll be welding up the 8.8 and all of the bars that's in the back of the car for the anti-roll bar. And for the upper control mounts, we'll be getting all that welded in. And then we'll also be adding some bars in between the bars to strengthen them up. So as you see here, this is the 8.8. I'm going to be welding all these up, like the coilover brackets, the control arms, the ends, the anti-roll bar mounts. I'll also be welding the seams here for the tubes. And then I'll be going back here and I'll be welding the shock mounts, the upper shock mounts, the anti-roll bar mounts, anti-roll bar mount here, this upper shock mount. And then I'll be adding a brace in between here. And then I have to weld those in also up here. Just have to clean it up, get it down to bare metal, and then I'll start welding.
Perfect.
All right, YouTube, as you can see, I went ahead and cleaned these brackets off real good to bare metal. Also cleaned off the tabs and cleaned up in here to bare metal. And also did the tab over there. All right, YouTube, as you can see, I've done cleaned the frame up a little bit more, add a little bit more weld in it. I got this painted here. It's just a little bit dusty. Had a lot of dirt in here, cleaning up all the metal. And I also got the other side done too. Now we're gonna be working on the rear end of everything shiny where I need to weld at, which is here, all around the control arms, the housing ends. I also have here cleaned up, and I also have the anti-roll bar cleaned up on both sides. So I have all this cleaned up. And I also have my bar here, moves freely. So I'm gonna get started welding.
Perfect.
All right, YouTube, I just got finished welding it. You know, the welding ain't all that good. This is my first time really welding with MIG. But as you can see, the bar spins freely with the pucks in it. So tomorrow I'll probably do a little bit more welding, grinding it down smooth, welding again, and then clean up the whole rear end and possibly paint it. So alright YouTube, as you can see, I am dirty as ever. Just working with dirt today. Been cleaning up the frame, cleaning up the rear end. Just doing a lot of grinding and welding and grinding and welding, and it's a tough task to do. But thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have more like this coming up soon. I have plenty of videos in my archive to show you guys of how I'm doing this G-body frame. I also supposed to be getting the bracing in. I may have to get some custom bars from the Trick Chassis brace kit because it's an El Camino, so it's bigger than the Monte Carlo passenger car frame. So I'm in contact with Trick Chassis about that, so we'll see how that goes. It might be the start of a new item for them. The guy wanted me to take the measurements. I will. I'm actually do that now, and then I'll be able to send it out and see what we can do. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.